If you're dealing with dry, irritated eyes, Klarity, Chondroitin, drops could be the solution for you. Dry eyes can be caused by various factors such as wind, sun, heating/air conditioning, computer use/reading, and certain medications. This medication contains ingredients like carboxymethylcellulose, dextran, glycerin, hypromellose, polyethylene glycol 400, PEG 400, polysorbate, polyvinyl alcohol, povidone, or propylene glycol, which work to keep the eye moist, protect it from injury and infection, and alleviate symptoms like burning, itching, and feeling as if something is in the eye. It's best to use this medication as directed by your healthcare provider, and typically, it's recommended to use 1 to 2 drops in the affected eyes as needed. The best time to take this medication is when you start experiencing the symptoms of dry eyes. When using Klarity, Chondroitin, drops, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, you can always ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. It's important to note that certain brands of eye drops may have a milky appearance, but as long as the solution does not change color, it is safe to use. For drops, they may be used as often as needed, while ointments are usually used 1 to 2 times daily as needed. If using an ointment once a day, it may be best to use it at bedtime. When applying the eye ointment or drops, make sure to wash your hands first to avoid contamination. Be careful not to touch the dropper or top of the ointment tube, and always replace the cap tightly after each use. When using drops or gels, place the dropper directly over the eye and squeeze out 1 or 2 drops as needed. For ointments, squeeze a small strip into the pouch and slowly roll your eye in all directions to spread the medication. If you wear contact lenses, it's important to remove them before using most kinds of eye lubricants, unless otherwise specified on the product package. And if your condition lasts or gets worse after 3 days, be sure to consult your doctor. When using Klarity, Chondroitin, drops, you may experience temporary blurred vision or minor burning, stinging, or irritation. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, but it's important to notify your doctor if you experience eye pain, changes in vision, or continued redness and irritation in the eyes. Although rare, a serious allergic reaction to this medication can occur. Seek immediate medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. It's essential to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your healthcare provider if you experience any other effects not mentioned here. If you are in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada. Remember to consult with your doctor for medical advice about side effects. Before using Klarity, Chondroitin, drops, make sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have any allergies or health issues. It's important to be aware that this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. After applying Klarity, Chondroitin, drops, you may experience temporary blurred vision, so it's best to avoid activities that require clear vision, such as driving or operating machinery, until your vision returns to normal. It's essential to follow the advice of your healthcare provider regarding the daily dosage and the best time to take Klarity, Chondroitin, drops to ensure you receive the full benefits of this medication. When taking Klarity, Chondroitin, drops, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's recommended to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Klarity, Chondroitin, drops. As always, consult with your healthcare professional for personalized guidance. If this medication is swallowed, it can be harmful. In case of an overdose with severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, immediately call 911 for emergency assistance. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Certain products may contain preservatives that can potentially harm contact lenses or result in irritation for individuals with allergies. It is important to check the product packaging or consult with a healthcare professional for more information. It's important to note that Klarity, Chondroitin, drops are typically used on an as-needed basis. So, you should only take it when you feel the need for it. Make sure to check the storage information on the package before using Klarity, Chondroitin, drops. It's important to protect the drops from freezing. If you are using preservative-free drops from single-use vials or droppers, make sure to discard them immediately after use or within 12 hours of opening. Always check the product package for specific instructions on discarding preservative-free products. If you have any questions about storage, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist. And remember to keep all medications away from children and pets. When you no longer need Klarity, Chondroitin, drops or when they expire, make sure to properly discard them. Do not flush the drops down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless you have been specifically instructed to do so. It's important to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper way to dispose of this product. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.